Okay, hi gang. Lawnmower Man here, Southeast Kansas, David Braun, and back on this Sears Craftsman home and shop welder. I haven't done specific research on what year is manufactured yet. I'll show you the serial number, model number in just a minute. I took it apart and put a couple of new wire nuts on the cord wiring coming into it, and the switch is okay. The windings are fine on I don't know, you call them a primary and a secondary winding or what? You have to learn more and know nothing about welders or much at all about electricity. I'll admit that, so I'm going to go to Sears and appeal to you all out there. What I'm wanting to do, this was what was called a carbon arc welder, and I'll go ahead and show you the model number and serial number. Okay, the model number 113.201430, and the serial number is 9204.P0093. Wiped it off the other day and got it real clear. It says serial or code date is what that is. This is the top cover off of it, how you vary the what do you call it, the amperage, infinite amp selection they called it. Someone once told me it could be as old as a 1979 model. And these cables you could see here was joined together a lot like jumper cables were. And I split them apart for better use. And then I went and bought this and a 300 amp ground clamp at Harbor Freight, and I put them on it. I did not plug it in yet or turn it on. I don't want to just yet. I'm going to go talk to Sears, like I said, Sears Parts Direct or other Sears parts suppliers, and see if what I'm doing is safe and a sane, practical thing to do. Can it be done? And this in turn can be used by anyone out there who wants to try it themselves at home or has tried it before. Maybe you could share a little with me. Either way, I think this is the right way to go about it. I'm going to stop here and at this time on this part of it and just get on the phone, on the computer, and see what I can do to find out is what I'm doing practical or not. Let me know. And again, if I can help you, I'm glad to be able to help somebody. Anyhow, make another video later on. And I hope put something together pretty soon on this, and anxious to see if the whole idea will work out or it's just not practical. Anyhow, let you know what happens. See y'all later then.